Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show WhatsApp is showing extra time while verify this number. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, scroll down, and tap on WhatsApp. Click on permissions. All permission allow. All permission allow on your WhatsApp app. Now go to WhatsApp app. Go to agree and continue. Click on next. Now extra time problem solved in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.